Wow. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So we are on the road today, and as usual we are always taking you guys. So right now we are at Costco. We're gonna get like 2 items, and where else are we going?
2 items.
2, literally 2. What else?
2 items.
No, it's just 2. Budget is for 2. Where else? I don't know where else we're going. What we're going to do after?
Probably bring them to the park a little bit.
Yeah. So as usual, come along with us, guys.
Come on, bombing us. Sure to.
Make sure to smash a like.
No, just no. Make sure to smash a like, guys. Hit that comment button. And drop a comment. No. That's not what it is. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, guys. Smash that like button and drop a comment. All right. Forward.
So I carry this stick. Yeah, rocky way. Unfortunately, Costco didn't have what we wanted, or some of the items. Although it's 2 that we wanted, 2 things that we want to buy. They don't have what we want, so we are heading over to Superstore. Come on, guys.
Yeah, guys, so I know that you guys saw us driving, and it seemed like we were driving for a while, but actually it's just like 6 or 7 minutes away. Right, so Grande Prairie is just one of those towns that everything is like literally 5 to 10 minutes away. If you're in Grande Prairie and you're driving for 15 minutes, it feels like you're driving for a long time.
But where are you gonna drive for 15 minutes?
Like probably out by Evergreen or like far out, probably 15 minutes. But in the city, everything is 5 to 10 minutes away, and that's just one of the good things about here. That school is 5 to 10 minutes away, work is 5 or 10 minutes away, the grocery stores are 5 or 10 minutes away. Everything is pretty close. So in comparison to the bigger cities like the Edmonton and the Calgary, where driving for 20 minutes is like the norm, right? So obviously you guys know that our gas bill is tiny in comparison to the big cities as well. So yeah, just one of the benefits of living in Grand Prairie. Now where are we, babes? We are at Superstore. We're going to go and get those 2 items that Nat's was telling you guys about.
I'm a female.
It's now not 2 items anymore. Yes. Check us out on TikTok. DiAndersons. Go over to TikTok and give us a follow, guys. Okay, me done talk. Oh, and also give us a follow on Instagram. DiAndersons Original is what we are. Go over to Instagram and give us a follow. Okay? So, I want everybody watching this video right now, if you like the content, if you like the substance, go and give us some support on other platforms. TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook.
That's an ad.
What's up?
Add that.
That's not that. For more premium content, see people can eat and lifestyle, check us out on TikTok.
That's well.
Let me see who has been following our channel. So the other day, guys, we went on the road and we got we work hours into getting new phones. If you guys haven't seen that video, as by the way, go and check it out. So this is the phone that I got. I had an iPhone XR, and it was up. Look at space big. I'm gonna walk around. I got an iPhone XR. That's what I had. And it was upgraded to an iPhone 13. Now, guys, come like I same phone I have. I'm not even joking. Apart from the picture quality being a little bit better and more memory, more battery life, there's no real difference. So it was just an up. I got the same phone, a newer version of the old phone. Oh, you go. And check out the iPhone 14, which is the same design of the old design of the same design of the new design.
I got you.
And what kind of phone did you get, babes?
Samsung I don't know. The same Samsung. It's the same thing. Cause
I've been trying to get Nats to convert to an iPhone for the past 3 years, but
I will not convert. I don't need a different phone. Phone is a phone.
She hasn't seen the light as it, guys. She hasn't seen the light as it. Now, I was like that as well, and this is not an Apple advertisement, by the way, but I was one of those persons who didn't see the value in having an iPhone. And I was always like, me not go to the iPhone. I'm going like, this is all this and all that. But listen, it's so easy to use. And once she go and I get an iPhone, I promise you, her Samsung days will be over.
Look here. I need a phone to make phone calls, WhatsApp, text, what else? Get my emails, everything else. I don't. But what's the difference with an iPhone and a Samsung? Is the same thing it's doing?
So many difference.
What is the difference?
Are we gonna get one of these guys?
What? Then, from Malika?
Yeah. No, we don't have any.
We have a pack.
You have a pack?
1 pack.
Let me just look right here.
Who's original? She doesn't like strawberries, so we'll have to go with vanilla. Just in case.
It's done.
We're gonna need a cart. We're gonna put this stuff down.
Right in this one. Then we're gonna cash your ticket.
Everything can't hold in there.
So how much stuff are we taking on? The 2 items?
Mm.
I'm gonna take up one more of that. That's what, the chocolate one?
I just took out the vanilla. Vanilla.
So, in case you guys are wondering what we're doing, there's a shortage on Pediasure. So, we usually get another substitute, which is the PC, which is the President's Choice milk, nutritional milk base, which is like a Poundland Pediasure, is the case, but that is also scarce. So none of the stores in Grand Prairie have any Pediasure in the PC. So what we have to get is Boost, and we have to disguise the Boost in Pediasure bottle. Oh, she was listening.
Yes.
That's a secret, guys.
We tried supplement as well. She drinks supplement, but we have to put it in the Pediasure bottle. I see persons suggesting smoothie. Once she realizes a different texture, anything that is different, she's not gonna drink it. And if we put smoothie in her Pediasure mixed with anything, she's going to know and she's gonna stop taking Pediasure overall. So we have to be careful as well for Pampers.
So Malia is what now? Stage.
The last one was
We got us stage 3 the last time.
yeah, stage 4 we need because
So, stage 4.
yeah, stage 4 Pampers.
So stage 3 was too small.
Yeah, that the one that she has now. Yes.
Whoa! Got this guy. I want us to need what?
And that is for like
Oh, yeah.
yep, 34 and 97. What else? We need the wipes. Okay. $15. Need a box of wipes.
We're gonna get the box.
Yeah, we can't get the small. That don't make no sense.
Malika. Let me see how we can work this out. Stand up, yeah, stand up. Yeah, that's right there, so.
That I got stroll over on our head. Can't do that. Let me take this one.
Can you manage?
Yep.
To the cashier.
I see other stuff.
We also accept gifts.
Oh my god, hold on. Sunburn, smell it. Deep. I need one of these. Yeah. I need one of these.
Yeah.
Watermelon, $3. I need
Hey, stop doing that, Malika.
Malia. I need this. Lip conditioner. Sunburn. That is smooth, easy protection. Oh, is that this? Cold sore and whatever. That's not that. I believe discharge of sweat. Nope, that's not it. Moisten. Dry chops. Clips. You want one?
Yeah, for sure.
Okay.
You can hold it. Let's go to the cashier. Up. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
As I was saying.
Wait. People always want to see, you know? What store? As you were saying.
Oh, I was just listening. Everyone know that we accept gifts. Guys, we cannot emphasize how expensive it is to live in Canada. Now, a lot of you guys watching this video, some of you guys are here in Canada, some of you guys are not. But the persons who are here will tell you that, listen, it's very expensive to live here. Persons who are not here yet, you guys have no idea what we're talking about, right? I mean, the standard of living is great. You earn enough to cover your bills for the most part. But it doesn't take away the fact that things are very expensive. Now, it's easy to do the conversion in your head because, like, if you're watching this video and you're watching it from Jamaica, you're already working out the maths. So, oh boy, if you work $30 an hour, that's $4 grand an hour. But a dollar.
Wait, I'm falling. Okay. Oh, yeah.
A dollar is just a dollar, and that's a saying that we always hear before coming, right? But we never really understand that. Listen, a dollar.
Like
is just
literally a dollar.
That's what it is.
Where you going over the berries? Crushing out the berries. Whoop, whoop.
Blueberries everywhere.
Blueberries everywhere.
Okay.
Sure. Just one. What's that? No, I know.
No, I got a text my bag stuff.
Oh.
Oh, I see. Oh, I see.
And none of these have been scanned.
Gotcha.
Sit, mommy.
Where's this microwave?
These two. Oh.
What's up? $84.
Yeah.
No, thank you. There you go. I'll just go pick up the hats.
Oh, you call it lady?
She needs a 1 hour time.
Oh, whatever.
She was at Superstore?
Yes.
So she left for bibs or
Bib and toque and a...
Malia, and you lost your shoes at the store last night. You're just losing everything. Typical kid. Malika knock out bibs off.
You know.
Go on back.
No park today.
Probably we could because she didn't know eat anything much today. Yeah guys, so we are back home. As I said, we didn't go to the park anymore because Malika started sleeping, so we're just back home guys. Yeah, you know, it's really amazing how beautiful the place is at mid-October guys. Like, that's crazy. Usually we're underneath snow already and everything, but not that we're complaining, but yeah, just this is a view from our backyard. As you can see, we have grass now. The last time I showed you guys my backyard, we never have no grass or nothing. Now we have grass and everything. Look at that guys, look at that. Neighbor over here start doing thing. Cut him land, you know, them anti-social, so you know we're just anti-social too. But yeah, the last time I showed you guys my backyard, it was all dirt and patches and stuff. A lot of work went into getting at least some land and thing. We had some fun around here in the summer. Didn't get to show you guys all of that. But smash a like at the video if you guys think that we have made a major improvement where the backyard is concerned. Smash a like on the video guys. Yeah, as usual, thanks for the love, thanks for the support, and that's it. See you guys in the next vlog.